welcome to another video. I'm Nateanah. On this channel, we focus on the woman behind the mom, but today we are heavy in mom mode, heavy in party planning mode. It is my daughter's third birthday party, and I was going to keep it light, but then I said, why do the least when you could do the most? So we are doing a full-fledged ballerina birthday party for my child, and to know me and my husband is to know that if we have a kids party, it's really for the adults. So it's going to be a good time. I just want to show you guys how to plan your next ballerina. These were made by Create with V. I'm going to put her information up on the screen. She's so talented. Woman-owned, minority-owned business. Love, love, love. I mean, I gave her this image, and, like, this is how she freaked it. Like, hecka cute. Hecka cute. And then we're inclusive. We're gender inclusive over here, so this is for the boys. You know, we tried to keep it funky. But I'm about to fill these boxes up with some, I think I got lollipops, some lollipops real quick. These tutus are going to go on the back of the chairs. I got some bubbles for the kids. Again, just everything like details, cute. Uh-oh, come on. Just everything, details for the kiddos. Super cute, okay? So these are the vibes that you're going to see. And let's get into it. All right, so here's our balloon drop. Super cute on our details. Come on, ballerinas. Everybody represented. Come on, ballerinas. Super cute. So every party has to have a balloon garland. Don't try me on that. And then here's going to be our kids area. Little kids table set up. And then the adults. So now it's just to get to work. All right, so we got these from Amazon. We're going to put them over the vases. And then my sister's going to put flowers for the centerpieces. So it's like a little tutu flower piece. The thing she asked for her birthday was a cake. I said, baby, I'm going to get you the biggest sheet cake they allow. Because, you know, Costco stopped doing full sheet cakes after the pandemic, during the pandemic, so that people would stop gathering. And then they just never got it back. So that's a half sheet. I mean, it really don't need to be no bigger than that. They do the half sheet, but they don't do full sheets anymore.
They probably sell half sheet for the same thing.
I'm sure they do. I'm sure they do. But it's still a good deal. It's $18.99. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cute. Very pleased. Because last night when I was like, what is supposed to go around? Hey girl. How are you? Thank you. It's okay. It's not the word never mean.
Oh, we got mommy active here?
Samples. Trying to get there.
Wait now. That blue is fit now.
Thank you.
Now this is cute now.
Thank you. Not there yet, but
yeah. This is. I like the long cuff.
Yeah.
You got the little hand thumb to it.
Yeah, got the little hand thumb, but it's a little short, and this needs to be a little long. This needs to go like this. Why I need to get on toilet for?
You're such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me in, I hear you say, it's been a long time. I say, okay, don't worry, I got you. Do you say, I got some more? Got that, got plenty, I got you. Johnny, Al Green, and Marvin Gaye too. To love you deeply. Ooh, let me love you. Lay back, relax, and come to me. Somebody know just what you like.
Thank you, Amazon. We see you.
NT, you made this?
I think she
so big I can see it from the front. There you have it, there you have it, there you have it.